Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to allow signature into purchase order from the website side. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Purchase Signature. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to website. See here the request for quotation menu. Click on. Display here this quotation order. Click on and see here these options sign and accept. Now click on. Here choose any options auto, draw or load. I want to choose this auto. And now accept and sign. See here signatures of ready-made. Now go to purchase app. Go to this phone number order. See here the signature page and also display here signature ready-made. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.